In a significant development for the U.S. tech industry, Intel and the Commerce Department are nearing the finalization of a roughly $8 billion grant under the CHIPS Act. This funding is expected to play a crucial role in bolstering U.S. semiconductor manufacturing capabilities. The CHIPS Act, signed into law in August 2022, aims to revitalize the U.S. semiconductor industry by providing financial incentives for companies to establish and expand their manufacturing operations within the country. The act has allocated $52 billion for semiconductor research, development, and manufacturing initiatives. Intel, one of the world's leading semiconductor companies, has been actively engaged in expanding its US-based manufacturing operations. The company has already announced plans to invest $20 billion in a new semiconductor fabrication facility in Ohio, creating over 3,000 jobs. The $8 billion grant from the CHIPS Act will likely support Intel's ongoing efforts to enhance its US-based manufacturing capabilities. This funding is expected to help Intel cover some of the costs associated with establishing and equipping its new fabrication facilities. The partnership between Intel and the Commerce Department is seen as a significant step forward in the U.S. government's efforts to revitalize the domestic semiconductor industry. By providing financial support to leading companies like Intel, the U.S. government aims to reduce the country's reliance on foreign semiconductor manufacturers, particularly those based in Asia. The CHIPS Act grant is also expected to have a positive impact on the U.S. economy, creating new job opportunities and stimulating economic growth. As the global demand for semiconductors continues to rise, the U.S. government's efforts to support domestic manufacturing capabilities are seen as a strategic move to ensure the country's competitiveness in the tech industry. In conclusion, the impending finalization of the $8 billion CHIPS Act grant to Intel marks a significant milestone in the U.S. government's efforts to revitalize the domestic semiconductor industry. This funding is expected to play a crucial role in supporting Intel's U.S.-based manufacturing operations, ultimately contributing to the growth and competitiveness of the U.S. tech industry.